I'm slowly breaking down, even when I hold you close. Oh, and if I lose you, I'm afraid I would lose who I gave.
Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Janice. So today I decided that since I'm almost at 1,000 subscribers, I would do a back to school giveaway. And I know it's a bit late for a giveaway for back to school. What is she eating? Oh, pizza. And my kids start school on Tuesday, so hopefully, you know, I can get this to whoever the lucky winner is and get it to you guys. So I chose two. I chose a girl and a boy. So the girl is just this baby pink and pink bag. So I put you guys a little bit more so you can see. So it's just this bag, pink. And then the boy gets the black with the camo print on there. So let's get started. Let's do the girl first. So in each backpack you have all the essential you would need for back to school. So you have a 1-inch binder here, and this is just a purple 1-inch binder, so you would get that. And then 2 composition notebooks, so you would get a purple and a pink, and then you would get a folder. So I chose the, what is this, green, lime green? Oh, yeah. A lime green folder, a pencil box, because you can't go to school without having a pencil box, right? So that's that. And then crayons, 24 crayons, so look like that. And then pencil toppers, eraser, so it's just that, and glue stick, and also pencil. So I couldn't find, Walmart is out of pencils, so I'm gonna split this pack between the boy and the girl. So the girl would get the pink and the green, and the boy would get the yellow and the blue or whatever. So I'm gonna split this pack because this is the only pencil that Walmart had, and it was the last pack. So yeah. And in the boy backpack, you would get a black 1-inch folder, a black composition notebook, a blue composition notebook, a pencil topper eraser, crayons, 24 crayons. Walmart was out of the glue sticks, so I got just the regular Elmer's school glue, and a pencil case, and that's it. And the pencil is split. So I'm gonna tell you guys the rules and how you can enter the giveaway, and how you can win these backpacks. So if you have a boy, you can enter, and if you have a girl, you can enter to win. Or if you know someone that if you know people that are in need of school supply, you can enter and give it to them. The rules are very simple. You either have to be a subscriber on my channel. You have to be a subscriber to my channel, and you comment down below which backpack you would like to win, and that's it. Just be a subscriber to my channel and comment down below which backpack you would like to win. And also, if you would like extra entry point, you can follow me on social media at the Instagram The Albornozes are growing. It's just all one word. The Albornoz are growing. And I'm gonna put the name and stuff down there so that you guys can go follow. So that's an extra entry. And yeah, so simple, simple, simple. Girl and boy. You want to win? Comment down below that you'd like the girl. Comment down below that you'd like the boy. And be subscribed to my channel. And yeah, it's just as simple. Good luck. Oh, get out your mouth. Oh, it's pizza. My 8-month old is eating pizza. Freaked out. Sorry. 9 months? It don't matter. I'm gonna edit this up anyways. So I'm gonna the way I'm gonna choose the winner is the way I'm gonna choose the winner is it's gonna be a random selection, and I'm gonna record me choosing the winner, and this giveaway lasts until next Sunday. Yeah, next Sunday. That way I can ship out these stuff to you guys next Monday. So it's only gonna be live. It's only gonna be going on for a whole full week. So today is Sunday, September 3rd, and it's gonna go until next Sunday. I don't know what day it is. I'll probably put the date of when it ends, but I'll let you guys know when the giveaway closes and stuff like that. So thank you guys so much for watching this video, and good luck to each and every one of you, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye.
Bye. Bye bye. Where's this go?